Okay, this is Max Doomit. I'm recording my video for problem set 3. Um, so, I'm going to start with this first function. This is all just given from the problem set. It's a little flashbang for you. We'll start with this one. Is word guessed? This is going to check if you've guessed the whole word. So, basically, it's going to go in. I think my mouse DPI just turned up by accident. For letters in letters guessed, if the letter is in the secret word, it's going to replace that letter in secret word with a space or a nothingness, whatever. Basically just going to delete it, and then after it does that, for every letter that it has, if the string is empty, as in like all the letters have been removed, we will say that you got the word right. It's going to return true, otherwise it's going to return false. And that is if you didn't get it right. You can see that down here. And if is word guessed, then it will tell you got it right. So cool beans with that one. Next is get guessed word. So this is going to be where it prompts you with, like when you guess a letter, or at the beginning it'll show you just like a bunch of underscores, and if you guess one of the letters it will show you a bunch of underscores, and then it'll replace one of those underscores with the letter you guessed. So it's going to start with an output string that's empty, or just it's empty, and then go through this. If the letter is in letters guessed, it will put the letter in to this empty. If the letter is not, then it will put an underscore. So it's going to build the word, and if you've guessed a letter that, so when it goes to see what the next letter is, if you've guessed that letter, it will put in the letter. If you haven't guessed that letter, it'll put in an underscore. So that's right here. Yes, yes. So that's going to where that's called. And then we've got get available letters, which is similar to the last one, kind of. This one is going to be kind of the reverse of that. We will start with the alphabet, so every letter is going to be a string ASCII lowercase. It's going to be every letter in the alphabet, and then it's going to check the string of letters that you've guessed and remove those letters from the every letter string, and then it's going to return every letter at the end. So it's not actually going to return every letter, it's going to return the string that's named that. It's going to return a string of letters in the alphabetical order that you haven't guessed yet. And it uses this right here to delete any letter that you have guessed by replacing it with nothing. So let's go down to hangman here. It's going to start you with 8 mistakes. You have 8 mistakes in hangman. An empty letters guessed string. It's going to give you a mistakes made 0, so that can count up to 8, and or it cannot if you win. And then you've got available letters here, which is just the alphabet of ASCII lowercase. So it's going to start by printing secret word contains however many letters the string secret word has, and I'll tell you how many letters there is. It's going to then pull the underscores thing that is like the word. So at this point at the beginning it's going to be just a bunch of underscores because you haven't guessed yet. It's going to print your available letters and the available letters function here. It's the whole thing. And then you have however many however many mistakes left. So it's just going to give you the allowed mistakes of 8. It's going to subtract however many you've made. And then you have guess, which is guess the letter, type quit to exit. This is just a little other thing. So if guess is quit, this is just like a little break. If you want to leave, break out, just type quit. It'll give you a little message, tell you the word, and then get you out of there. If guess not in available letters, so that's basically if you've guessed the letter already, that's when that's going to prompt or proc or whatever, and it's just going to tell you, hey, you guessed that letter already, try when you haven't. Continue after that so that you can keep playing and guess a different letter. If guess in secret word, it will tell you, hey, your guess was in the word, So this is if you actually guess one's correct. Tell you what's in the word. If else, so if it's not, then it's not in the word. Oh no. It's going to add one to your mistakes. And if mistakes made is greater than or equal to the allowed mistakes, which is 8, you're going to get the you ran out of guesses, and it's going to tell you the word and break you out of there. It means you lost if you get here. Oh no. Letters guessed out of pin guess. So this is just at the end of all that. We're going to, if you make it here, we're going to just add your guess to the guessed letters so far, so that you can go back to the functions we've used already in the next iteration and make the changes that you need to. And available letters is going to do a similar change. If word is guessed, we already did this part. Okay, so let's actually run the code. It's just gonna run secret word to choose a word, and then it's gonna run hangman here. So let's make sure I saved this and then run it. We're gonna do a random word because I don't think I have one set right now. So we have a 10-letter word. So we'll just guess A. There's 0 A's. Okay, we'll guess E. 2 E's. Uh-oh. Let's go with D. Uh-oh. I'm losing. M. Uh-oh. I don't have hangman skills. Almost guessed D again. H. Dude, there's so many letters in this word. How am I wrong? Okay. T? Oh my gosh. I'm actually crazy bad at this. L. No way, bro. What? Okay. We're doing K. It has to be like... has to be a big consonant here, right? No way. What is happening? P? There's no way I'm this bad. I lost. Unsureness. Wow. I should have guessed S. Alright, well there's me losing. Let's hold on. Secret word. Let's do some goofy stuff here and just set it equal to apple so I can show off me winning, because you're not gonna see me winning this apparently. Uh-oh, that's not how that works. Hold on. I haven't done this yet. I just thought that would work. Choose word list all lower. It's gonna be up here. Return. Can I just return a string here? Is this word list random choice? Sorry, give me 1 second. Oh my goodness. Mind us. Can I just write a string in here? We're gonna try. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have to try and win, because I haven't tried this yet, and I don't want to remake the video. Uh-oh. Invalid syntax. Okay. Looks like I have to win this. Normally. Oh wait. Maybe that's because of that. Please? Okay. Wait. Did I put a dot in by accident? No. I think that's supposed to be there. I'm trolling now. Where'd I go? Dear Lord. Maybe I did put that dot there by accident. Dot slash? How would I have put a dot slash by accident? I mean, it doesn't belong there, I guess, but I don't know how I would have done that. Interesting. Let's go to where we were again. Let me make sure this works. Okay, it works now. Exit, right? Exit is absolutely the wrong one. Quit. Sorry, this is goofiness. I guess I should have tried this before I made the video, but I'll put a little timestamp in the description. Let's do this. Please work. Nice. A. P. L. E. So, wahoo! E is in the word. You got it. It's apple. So that is both of the. That was me purposefully, absolutely purposefully losing so that I can show the code when it loses, and then absolutely dominating when I tried to get the next word, not missing a single letter. So I got the fail. I got the fail and the win there. And that should show all of the different stuff. There's a police car outside of my apartment now, so I'm going to see what that is. And all right, thank you.